Hi, welcome to Mom. In this channel, I review the products that I purchased for my little ones who are 4, 3, and 1, and I hope to give you information to help you make a better decision when buying a gift for your kids. So today I'll be reviewing this roller skates. One is for my son that I bought recently, and this is for my daughter, which I bought about a year ago for her. I will share my own personal opinion at the end. I'm first gonna start by going through each one of them. But actually, let's start with this one. So this one, as you can see, it has this one is by Playbuilds, and it's a company. I don't know if they sell them on other sites, but I purchased this from Amazon. It comes with different Disney characters, designs, and newer designs. This one, like I said, is about a year old. What I initially liked about this was that it had two wheels at the back to just give them some more stability as they were learning how to skate. And as they get older, you can actually remove this and put one of the wheels here and one in the middle. So it's a convertible skate, and it's also adjustable. So if you turn this knob, you can slide the skate back. Actually, this is all the way extended to the end right now. You can slide it back and make it shorter or make it longer. So the size for this was about between 6 and 9 is what the size is. And when I bought this for my daughter, she was 3.5, and she actually outgrew this pretty quickly. So I think she maybe fit in it for about a year. I was hoping that she would get more use out of it, but she actually didn't. And as you can see, even though she didn't use it that much, the quality was not that great. So the plastics here started to chip, and you can see the wear on the wheels and at the front, and even on the buckles. So yeah, so I didn't really like the quality of this that much. I didn't like that she could only wear it for such a short period of time, because I don't think kids younger than 3 will start to want to roller skate. At least mine's didn't. And so by the time that they actually start to use this, they already outgrew it. Cute design for girls, but not a big fan of this one. So next, I'm gonna review this one. This one was also by a company on Amazon called Pija, something like that. It's not a famous brand or anything, just like one of those Amazon companies. But I do really like the quality on this one. You can already tell how different this one is from the features and how it's made. The quality of the product is way different. So this one, as you can see, one thing that I really like that makes it easier for kids to take it on and off is that, unlike this one that you have to push this and pull it out in order to put it on and off, the kids can just open this very easily, and the whole strap won't go undone, and they won't need your help to put it back on or off. So that's the feature that I do really like about this one. And you can adjust the straps by holding on to this and pulling out or in. But that's just something that you will probably do it just for the first time, or sometimes maybe like once a month, just to adjust it to their feet, and you won't need to touch this ever again when they want to put it on or off. Another feature of this is that the lights on the back wheel that they will turn on as they're roller skating. And you can also, on this one, you can also adjust it, but it goes I think right now my son wears size 9, and as you can see, I can extend it much bigger, to make it longer than this by just turning this knob. And it's much easier to adjust the inner part. So all you need to do is push this in or pull it in order to make it shorter or longer for their feet. And that's just very convenient and easy. And yeah, that's basically it. And as you can see here, it shows the size number, but they're, I think, European sizes for the kids. So I do really like the quality of this product. The inside padding is much thicker than the other ones to help protect their feet. And the colors are fun. They come in different colors. So I do really highly, if you're looking for roller skates or inline skates for your kids, I do highly recommend this one. The only thing is that because these wheels are a little bigger and they are a little more slippier than this one. So at first they'll have a little harder time balancing on this one versus this one. But I think they will just get used to it very quickly. So before I go, I also want to point out that this skate comes with a bag, and in this bag that you can use to carry the skate around, you'll have a knee pad and elbow pad, and also pads for the hand, and also it comes with coins as they get more experience and can go through them. So that's another good feature about this. And also I forgot to point out this this little strap at the top, which makes it very easy for the kids to carry this by hand, or if they want to hook it up to their backpack or something, this is very convenient. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be linking both of these products on the comments on the description bar. Thank you for watching, and I'll hope to see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.